If you wear prescription glasses or over-the-counter reading glasses, you can use ZEISS Optical Inserts with your Apple Vision Pro. Here's how to set them up. Before you start, place the cover on your Apple Vision Pro to protect the cover glass when you set it down. You'll need your optical inserts, as well as the code to pair them, which is printed on a card that came in the box. If you can't find the card, you can generate a recovery code at myzeissvision.zeiss.com. With the cover on, place your Apple Vision Pro on a stable surface like a table. The first time you attach your optical inserts, you may find it easiest to remove the light seal and solo knit band, or you can keep the device fully assembled. Look for the L and R on the edges of your optical inserts so you can tell them apart. Each one is designed to fit on the correct side. Line up the left optical insert over the left display of your Apple Vision Pro, and it snaps into place magnetically. Attach the right optical insert the same way. Now you can remove the cover, connect the battery, and put on your Apple Vision Pro, holding it by the frame as you adjust the fit. Once you're wearing the device, you might be asked to adjust the display alignment. Press and hold the digital crown until you see a green check mark. Then, you'll see a prompt to pair your new optical inserts. If you don't see the prompt, press the top button 4 times. Then, turn the digital crown to select Pair New Optical Inserts, and press the digital crown to begin. Now, you'll be asked to look at the code that came in the box with your optical inserts. Once pairing is finished, you'll begin hand and eye setup automatically. If the displays feel too close to your eyes, or you see a message in your Apple Vision Pro, you can switch to the thicker light seal cushion that came with the device. If you're wearing contact lenses, or if a guest is trying your Apple Vision Pro, remember to remove your optical inserts from the device. Apple Vision Pro automatically recognizes your optical inserts when you reattach them. And that's it, you're all set up. To learn more about Apple Vision Pro, subscribe to the Apple Support YouTube channel, or check out our Apple Vision Pro playlist and keep watching. Valid U.S. prescription required. Not all prescriptions are supported. Vision correction accessories sold separately.